If you are wondering if POCO F7 Pro has 3.5mm headphone jack, then the answer is no. So usually if there is 3.5 headphone jack, then it is located either at the top of the phone or at the bottom of it. However, as you can see, the only port that we have is the charging port, USB-C port. So if you want to use wired headphones, you need to either have wired headphones with USB-C cable, or you need to have an adapter or a hub that looks, for example, like this. So I have this example adapter where I can connect my wired headphones to the adapter, and then of course with the adapter to the phone with this USB-C end. And so we just need to simply plug in wired headphones and then use the adapter to connect to the phone. And this is how we can use headphones, wired headphones on this phone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!